TRX body kit, man. The Hellcat engine in there. Y'all know the vibes. It is Smooth Lifetime. We are back with it, guys. We're back with a banger today. We are going to be getting into something crazy that I thought I would never be doing. Thought I would never be driving a Mopar, or wanting a Mopar, or selling my car for a Mopar. But today is the day we go and look for a replacement for my ZL1. And this is the only Mopar I'd ever sell my car for to get. And if you're new, you're gonna subscribe to the channel, man. Join the Smooth gang. Hit that sub button, join the Smoovelifer, and hit that bell to get notification every time I drop a video, you guys. I appreciate you guys for tuning in. I really do appreciate it. But we're gonna get into a truck, not a car, but a truck that is killing everything. I think it's the best truck on the market, the best thing you can buy, the fastest, the most sportiest, the meanest. Oh my God, that thing looks... We're gonna go ahead and start the car, get the video going. I know you guys look forward to these cold starts every video, so let's get it. Okay, you guys, so we are almost there, man, and let's see if this truck would make me want to sell my Z1 and buy one right now. I've seen all the hype online. I've seen everything. I've seen the noises, the sounds, how fast it's from a dig to 0 to 60. Shout out my friend Perkins, man, one of my close friends. He's on the second TRX. He always saying 0 to 60 this, 0 to 60 that. So we gonna see today. We might even dig race it against the ZL1. Who knows? There might be another video. Who knows? But I'll see you guys there. Well, look at that big ass motherfucker. God. That motherfucker is huge, bro. Let me wipe my lips off. Bro, oh my fucking God. What's up, bro? How you doing, man?
Hello.
Shit. God, I didn't realize how big this...
Yeah. They're not small.
Oh, is this logo, this is the TRX logo stock, right? Or you put this on here?
I put that on there. I had the guy out in Texas make it for me.
Damn.
Do it.
It's dirty, but it's dirty because he drives it. And we have snow, you see. Well, we had snow a couple days ago. Bro, this shit is beautiful. A little bit. Check it out. Right there, it's perfect. Hell yeah. Damn, it make my car like a damn toy, bro. RC toy. Lord. So, this is a 7, how much? This has 703 horsepower, something like that?
702 stock.
702, my bad.
No.
And you got the pulley on it, right? The incognito.
Yeah, I got the incognito Rippertune.
Ooh, I ain't know. Hey man, shoot, we might have to race our cars one day, or shit, maybe today if you got time. But I want to just go over. I mean, I don't know you're gonna keep it running, turn around on me. Oh, it's all me.
Yeah.
Oh shit, you got the key? Let me see that.
The keys inside?
Oh shit, he done handed me the beast. So, shout out my boy Perkins for getting me in the trucks in the first place. But let me go ahead and... Damn, it's a lot of...
It's a lot of room.
Yeah, I'm gonna turn it on. Alright. Lord, bro. Alright, let's get to the... I don't even know where to start, honestly. It's overwhelming. Okay, so first... This is actually a nice blue color, honestly. We're gonna start with the color. Beautiful, honestly. I got a friend Perkins, Brandon Perkins. He had a black one and a white one. He's on the second one. He always say TRX this, TRX that. I be telling him he bullshit. But honestly, in person, like, cause I see it all the time, but I never like just rolled up on it like this.
Right.
And the Texas plates give it more horsepower. We know for sure.
Of course.
Let me get a good little walk around. It's dirty, but it's dirty because he drives it. And we got snow like 2 days ago, and it's still melting. So give him a pass on that.
I appreciate it.
Yeah, but it's a truck. At the end of the day, these, like, you feel me? A dirty truck is like a trophy. Dang, how big are these tips? God. Uh-oh. Hold on, let's measure it with mine. I think our tips are the same size. But these are aftermarket. I think that's like 5 inches? This mine are 4.5, but it's AWE, so stock them tips ain't that big, but little TRX logo on the back. Some more horsepower with the Texas plate. Ooh, little East, the Hellcat logo. Ooh, so but you can't have it. Say if you live in like Detroit or something, they'll steal your car just because they got the Hellcat logo on it. You don't want to do that too much. Then you got the big money, big money. I know that's. I don't know how expensive it is. I'm not the truck guy, but I know just getting that little thing in the back
just to keep stuff protected.
Some work, yeah. Okay, you got some. I guess a dinosaur, a TRX right here. Golly, my boy.
I'm not fabbed up at the house with a little vinyl machine.
Smart. Shoot. Before I step on the inside, can I see what this engine looking like?
Up on the inside.
Yeah. Dang, the lights. But it just look mean, boy. Is it left or right, or I don't want to look goofy? Right, I see it. I see it right here. You feel me? Oh, that motherfucker heavy. God. Okay, it's covered up, but where is the? I see. Oh, whoa. I know my Raptors owners probably don't like that one now.
And then functional hood scoop to the intake.
Functional too. Let me go on this side of the sunlight. Functional. See that Hellcat blower in there, man. Hey. So do you hear it like when you hear the whine when you're driving?
Oh, all the time.
Oh shoot. See mine, I had to do the intake just to hear mine.
And you can slightly see the Ripper-tuned pulley right down there in the middle.
I see it. Ooh. Yeah, golly. Ooh, I see it. Lower?
Yep. It's literally, that's a plug and play. After you put it on, you gotta obviously stop the stuff from moving around in there when you put it on, but
dang.
It's literally on and okay. On and popping.
Dang. And this ain't no Ram Rebel with a TRX body kit, man. The Hellcat engine in there.
And this is the wife's daily.
This is, see, look, hey, wife daily. My wife daily a Camry. I ain't in that level yet. They got the money. Yeah, so see, that's all he's saying. Lord. Nah. We make payments over here. This is tough though, I'm not gonna lie. So let's in the inside a little bit. Inside. I don't know why this is like real intimidating. Like I sound like a little but this is a big ass truck, yo. Oh shit. Alright. Damn, so we got the Alcantara on the ooh.
Yeah. Gives you the serial number. This burns the shit out of you every time. So every TRX owner knows the troubles that come along with that.
So that's the stock boost it makes.
Yep.
It probably makes like 14 pounds now, a little bit more.
13.
13.
So Ripper-tuned supposed to put 2 psi into it. So.
Okay. 100 though. We got 120, but pretty sure it goes over there now with the tuning on.
No, I didn't tune it. So it's literally just a pulley and.
Oh, so it just makes a little bit more boost. Okay.
Yep.
That's not bad. Too bad. Close this door, man. So we got some TRX on the. I should put my light on the camera, man. I'm just overwhelmed. I don't even know where to start at, honestly, bro. Oh, you got the Harman Kardon. Hold on. So they see that. He got the Harman Kardon and the. See, I gotta keep referring to my boy Perkins. He got the Harman Kardon in his TRX. I don't know what you got. You had it in your Ram Rebel, but I thought you said. My bad. I'm gonna chill on you. I ain't gonna go too crazy on him. I want to show you this option. He do got the full panoramic roof. Dang, the whole thing comes back. Top level, you feel me? Woo. Damn, boy, it's basically a drop top, ain't it? Let me stop. Okay, man, a little red on the key, nothing too crazy. Oh man, it's actually better than my key. This is a truck, you guys. Oh, this is crazy. But let me get a little start up. Yep. Woo, okay. TRX like that. This tire exhaust? Oh shit. Oh, this one. It is loud stock, you guys. Oh man. Shoot. Be a little idle too. Alright, we are in the TRX. This big ass truck, you guys. Huge jump for sure. Let me put my seatbelt on. Safety belt. For sure, but alright, let's go over these modes real quick because I see a whole bunch of stuff on there, but not really. It's not making sense to me.
Yeah, so you got the sport mode, which is kind of like your street mode. You get on, you have your stability control that's off or in a sport mode, so you can kind of still play around in it.
Okay.
Even though it is all-wheel drive, you can still get loose and stuff like that. Tow mode, self-explanatory. Snow mode, people have been running in snow mode to actually save gas. So it doesn't let you take off from the light and all that other stuff. kind of holds back. Auto, it just does its own thing.
Yeah,
right?
okay.
Baja's the fun one. Lets everything loose.
Oh, shit.
Suspension's all cool. It's all bouncy and everything like that. So when you hit stuff, it absorbs all that stuff. And then you can make your own custom one. I have mine set to pretty much street everything but Baja suspension. Okay. I do like that ride, and I still can use my paddle shifts.
Yeah, see, you got them paddles on my way. I think that's the best thing for giving the trucks the paddles.
Yeah, I think it's cool.
Because I know some trucks have like buttons to push, which just don't feel as sportier as like you're in like something that's fast. But the paddles, so I like how they kind of shape how it goes in and goes back out on both sides. Yeah, dang.
There's buttons on the back, remember, for Dodge.
Yeah.
So.
Oh, it is. Oh, y'all. I feel them. Yeah.
So you got your volume, and then changing the songs and stuff like that.
You know, we should be bow tied down over there. Ours on the front. You feel me?
I remember.
We ain't really a Mopar channel over here, you guys. So hey,
I missed the Corvette, so I
see, I feel you missed the vet. See, just y'all heard it. But this is an exception to Mopar. It's a Hellcat truck. Come on, man. Yeah. Or Trackhawks too. But okay, so what's truck? But I don't know why let me try to drive wide so I don't hit my car. Dang, bro, this is huge. Fully?
Let's see. Let
him. You hit a blower one? Just off of, bro, we're going like, what? That's like 3K RPMs. You can hit a blower one. No way. My car got to be in third gear and fucking high RPM just to hear it.
It'll scream at you.
I want to give it the beans, man.
Go ahead.
Oh! It's a fucking truck. Oh! And I feel like the torque was delayed because I wasn't in a gear, like at the lowest gear to hit it. So yeah, okay.
Just remember, because it is in sport mode, it will get loose on you if you punch it right on the low.
Yeah, I'm ready. I'm ready to count this there. I ain't gonna go too crazy. It's still got traction is.
It's pretty much off right now. It's in sport, but it's pretty much off.
All-wheel drive?
It's all-wheel drive, yeah.
Right. We ain't got nothing to worry about. We ain't got nothing. Hopefully not. A little warm, so I'm gonna give you a little. Cars. Do a little 30, 40. So paddles, I just click it for it to come on.
Well, paddles, I mean, I don't like the paddles personally. I think that Dodge did a good job. So or Ram did a good job.
Y'all still have to, like, you just jab the gas and then put it in.
Stomp on it.
And then put it in sport mode though?
It's already in sport mode now.
Oh.
So it's all running in sport mode the whole time.
Okay.
And then so it drops the gear and everything for you.
We're gonna do a little. We going uphill though. We're gonna do a little 35.
You ready?
Oh, damn, for a truck, this motherfucker is moving, bro. And the whine is like.
Yeah, that's what makes you lose all that gas because you want to hear it all the time. So
pretty cool. You think it's gonna make a difference if I push the Baja?
It'll be a different feel for you for sure because you're gonna feel it in the steering wheel and in the suspension.
Let's go ahead. Let's go ahead and turn it up the Baja real quick. I want to do a dig in this motherfucker too. Oh, it pop up. So how do I make that stay up though? That's hard when it popped up with the TRX right there.
Oh, that's when it switches the mode. So it's letting you know that it is switching. So
that's hard.
Let it stay. They got the little I forgot what the little thing is that everybody has.
Ooh, it's downshifting by itself like that too.
Oh yeah.
It'll stay. Let's see what this. So you go to race options.
Launch control. Activate launch control. So it's activating.
And just braking gas. Yeah.
You take it up 3,500.
But 35. Oh. So what is the? What is that? Is that the RPMs?
Yep. I'm showing you what you at. That's your PSI right there. And you'll run
over
to the left. So it'll tell you how much PSI you have going before you actually launch the car.
Oh shit. Oh fuck! Oh fuck! Yeah!
Got all of our shit flying all over the place.
Oh, bro.
Yeah.
So this gonna make you happy as hell. So my friend with the the supercharged R8, his all-wheel drive, he has the Quattro.
Right.
His dig did not feel like that.
Okay.
Maybe I don't know. Maybe I didn't have RPMs up high enough when I launched his car. But that did not feel like that.
You also got the lift of a truck too versus a R8, but no,
that blood rushed to my blood.
It feels good, right?
I gotta do about 2 more. I'm I'm gonna turn around and do it.
So that's on.
Oh fuck! I'll do one more and I'm done with it. I'm beating on your car, but I'm actually like, I'm sitting here. I'm gonna try to do one without screaming like a little bit so they can hear the supercharged one now.
Do it without.
Alright, y'all. So we sitting here launching the TRX. That shit, I ain't gonna lie, got me shook a little bit. Cause it feels like crazy, but at the same time it's controlled. So it's like, and it's a truck, bro. It's like you're on top of everything. I'm doing a pull and I'm seeing top of the fucking trees.
Yeah. It's up there. It is a different feel for sure.
So I could do it without the.
Yep.
So brake. Oh shit! Why that sound like that?
Just let it rip. It's the exhaust.
Oh shit! Oh, then I'm doing the burnout. I'm about to break this dude. All right.
Let go.
You see my face?
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm turning. Hold on. This shit might turn better than the goddamn Hellcat Challenger though. Shit,
No.
the way that just hit that turn.
It is a boat, but nah,
Bro.
not that much.
Top level guy right here, man. I ain't like that.
No.
I need y'all to like and subscribe. You feel me?
Yeah, get them likes and subscribes in so you can get him one.
Yeah, man. Watch them ads. Don't skip the ads for you. Please watch the ads for you, boy. So I can get a TRX. So if I get a TRX, I'm straight piping it later off that. Straight pipe. You got to lower. You got to pulley though, bro. So this is faster than the stock one then.
Yeah,
for sure.
So the Ripper Tune is supposed to add 60 wheel horsepower is what he promotes. It's definitely noticeable when you.
No, all right. So look, 70, 60 crank, something like that.
Yeah, I'd say it's close to. I mean, I say it's kind of like that red eye when they do the 797-ish.
Yeah.
I say it's somewhere close to that.
So this is basically an 800 horsepower crank. Nah, probably like 760, 770.
Yeah, somewhere close to that 770 range.
So let me hear something. Put in sport. Show the gears.
Yeah.
So I'm in 7th. Yep, 6.
Drop down, yeah.
There go the blower. That's all I was looking for. Alright, we hitting it though. I'm gonna try to do it with the paddle, see if it. Well, that's not bad.
It's not horrible at all.
That is not bad at all. Y'all, this is a truck though. Like, am I tweaking? Like, you looking around? I ain't going that fast. And I'm taking the precautions. This is a big vehicle.
I'm just watching you drive through. I like watching the stuff go by so fast. I don't get to sit in the passenger seat that much in this. Shoot.
Hope you guys enjoyed this video, man. Shout out to my boy Bert for letting me drive his TRX. Heck yeah. Monster, this is a beast. If I could, I would have both of these at the same time. Which it might happen one day if y'all like the video and watch the ads and don't skip them. And subscribe to your boy, join the Smoovelifer gang, man. And hit that notification bell to get the notification when I drop a video. But y'all know the vibes, man. This is Smooth Lifetime. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. But I'm out.